Assalamu alaikum. In this drawing, there are some instructions that I'm going to read. Use appropriate options of the circle, line, and arc commands to generate the drawing below. The dimensions are as shown in the figure. Use the point command to draw the center points on the circle. So let's get started. So go to your title block template and then save as drawing 10. There are always multiple ways to draw any two-dimensional drawing or any other drawing, but you want to choose the one that takes the least time and you don't have to do too much trimming in it. So we can draw with rectangle in this case, and start at 10, 10, and then the dimension of the rectangle is going to be at 2.35, 1.3. Okay, now click once and hover over this point, and then choose convert to arc. Now over here the dimension is given 1.3, so to give the radius of this arc, that's going to be half of that. So half of that is 0.65. Same over here. Select convert to arc and drag to the left and 0.65. Press enter. Now you're going to use the arc command, and you're going to use this one, start and radius. So you're going to start at the end point over here, end point of the arc. This will be end, and then radius, you can just click in the midpoint of this, and that is the radius. You don't have to calculate the half. Now to the other side, click on the end point over here. So that's the start, this is the end, and then this is the radius. So the arc goes from right to left outward. If you start here, it's going to go upward, or you have to press Ctrl. So it's better to start at the left. Now there are small circles. They are at from this point 0.6 up and 0.6 to the right. So let's choose the circle with the radius this time, because radius is given, and we're going to start right here. 0.25 is the radius. Now use the move command, select the circle, right click, select the center of the circle and go up. Now you're going to have your ortho on so that you are in the straight line. Type 0.6, enter. Now you're going to move one more time, again center, and then move to the right, 0.6, enter. Use mirror command, select the circle, select the midpoint for the line of symmetry and click anywhere on the line of symmetry, and then press enter. Now there is a triangle and a circle inside that triangle, and it has 1.5 one side, so all sides are equal. So select Polygon and add number of sides 3, enter, and type E for edge. And now you can specify first endpoint of the edge and then type 1.5, enter, and then select this, right click, click on the midpoint and click on the midpoint of this line. Now go to the circles again and select 3-point circle, and click on this point, second point, and third point. One last thing is use the point command to draw the center points on the circles. Now go to the center layer and draw the points in the center of the circles. So type point, enter, and click here. Now you see this cross, but if you don't see anything, then you're going to type P type. So in P type, you are probably you don't have any point type. That's why if I select that, it's going to disappear. So you are going to select the cross, or you can select any other, but in this drawing the cross is shown, so that's what I'm showing you here. For the second one, and that completes your drawing. Now go to the layout and double click inside the viewport, and then click on zoom extent. Give it an appropriate scale. Let's just give it 1:1, and then unlock your viewport. Double click outside of the viewport anywhere, go to the dimension layer. The radius of this circle is given, so give it radius, and as you can see it's not showing any decimals, so let's type dim style, modify, and precision. The most number of decimals over here is 2. The other dimensions are the linear dimensions. And that completes the drawing. Update your drawing title. And then plot to PDF. And that completes your drawing. You're done. Happy drawing.